Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And of course, this week we had the weekly security updates for Google Chrome coming from the Chromium project. And well, Microsoft Edge has updated its Edge browser yesterday, January 5th, which means now the security updates that are in Chromium are fixed. And of course, if you are using a Chromium-based browser, make sure that you have received your updates this week, whether it's Brave or Opera, Vivaldi, and so on. Several high-severity security flaws are in here. So on Edge, go into the upper right corner, 3 horizontal dots. You go down to Help and Feedback. Then you go into About Microsoft Edge. And you will be sent to version 120.0.2210.121. And this is the security updates for Chromium. Of course, this is your first line of defense. It is much more important than having an antivirus. This is what really keeps you safe, having your software up to date to make sure that all the security flaws are actually closed. The majority of malware out there actually needs a way in, and it is often through security flaws that they actually get in. That is why it is so important to fix the software, especially a browser, because that's what you use to go on the web. Even if you're not an Edge user, I recommend that you still do the updates to make sure that it is up to date, because sometimes you never know with Microsoft. Links open in Edge rather than your favorite browser. So it's something to look at. So security updates are here for Microsoft Edge. And once again, whatever browser you're using, except Firefox, whatever browser you're using, it's important to fix the security flaws. So check out your updates to make sure that you have the latest security fixes for this week. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.